Hello and welcome. This is one of a series of basic videos made at the University of Alaska Fairbanks to help students use Microsoft Excel. This video will explain how to import data into Excel in a usable format. Often data from spectrometers and other scientific instruments gets imported into a single column, which makes graphing and other operations difficult. This video will show how to separate the contents of one cell into separate columns. This is some data taken from a fluorimeter here in the chemistry department. This data was saved as a .txt file. When I opened it in Excel, all of the data was in one column. This makes it difficult to plot and do other operations. There are two methods that allow me to separate the data. If you already have the data in an Excel file and it looks like this, you want to convert your data from text to columns. To do this, highlight the first column. Now click on the Data tab. In the Data tab, you want to click on the Text to Column button. In this window, you need to select your file type. In our case, we are a delimited file type. Now click Next. Next, you need to select what actually delimits your data. In this case, mine is a tab and a space. We can now see in this preview window that my data is separated into two separate columns. One thing to note is that you need to be sure to select your entire column so that all of your data gets converted. Now click Next. The second way to adjust your data is to adjust it as you're importing. From this blank Excel workbook, we can go to File, Open. Here I see my fluorimeter data again. I click on that and say Open. Now I see the same window as before. Again, I want to make sure Delimited is selected. I click Next. My delimiters are a tab and a space. I click Next. I'm leaving my data format as General, and now I say Finish. And this time, when the data is imported, it is already delimited. If I scroll down, I can see that I have two distinct columns of data. Thank you for listening. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Please look for our other Excel help videos, such as how to make plots and how to do a line ST function.